plan at this point is to put the kids in school, high school here in Penang, and this will basically be our home base marina. So it's our first time coming here with a boat. We came here about a year ago by plane and checked out the marina, met John, the marina manager. So we are, in a sense, almost like a homecoming, but not really, because we won't be staying here more than a week before we head out to Guam. But we're excited to kind of check out the school again and see some friends here. We have 2 other Antares that are here, so we total 3 Antares that will be here.
You were only like a friend till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time.
This marina in Penang is the place where we'll keep our boat when we get back from Guam, and we'll put the kids in school at Dalat International School. Penang, Malaysia will be our temporary home, and we're looking forward to exploring this area. Our first stop is to check out the Penang International Food Festival. No sooner have we tied up to the dock that we get changed and head out to explore the food that's made Penang famous. Time to order our grab. We're heading to downtown Georgetown in Penang. Tonight happens to be the Penang Food Festival. So we are heading into town to get some street grub. Some of the best in the world. Let's go.
What's grab?
Oh. Grab is, what is the thing that it's like in the US? Now I can't even
Uber.
think. Uber. It's like Uber of Southeast Asia. So here in Malaysia it is super economical. We have tried it in Thailand, not so economical. So it kind of varies by country. But here in Malaysia we can get downtown, it's probably like a 20-minute ride. We can get for $3. So, and hopefully we won't spend much more than that on street food. So it'll be an economical night full of food and culture in Penang. We're at the entrance to the PFF, Penang Food Festival.
PIFF.
Oh, sorry. PIFF, Penang International Food Festival. And we're going to go get our fill of culture and foodie. Good eats, good treats.
Good eats, kids.
What do you think? What do you want them to have?
I don't know, like Korean chicken maybe?
Korean
chicken.
That sounds good.
All right, let's go check it out.
See if we can find some.
And like an apple, I will soar through the air. I'll take you with.
Look at that. See in there? Looks very red, which usually means very spicy. We'll see.
Good. Spicy?
Really good. You don't want any of this.
Wow.
It's really yummy.
That's good.
As the sun sets, and with our stomachs full, we decide it's time to head back to the boat and get some rest after our full day of sailing and food tasting. Some marinas have rats. This marina has sea otters. We found this curious guy exploring the docks early one morning, looking for food and fresh water. He was relatively unstartled by us as he waddled down the dock towards field trip.
Second go for food in Penang. It's world renowned for their food, in particular the food stalls. but we had
Street food.
street food.
Yes.
Street food. So we had a little bit of a dud the other night.
Well, you know, it was fancy schmancy. It was like hotel chefs coming to show their mad cooking skills. So that was not exactly street food that we were hoping for.
Yeah. So
It was good.
It was good food, but it wasn't the
Penang
vibe.
street food. Yeah.
Right, in downtown Georgetown. So we're heading out, date night tonight. Sarah and I. Kids are going to be left on the boat all alone. Hopefully there's going to be no fire, no flooding villages.
Don't even say that.
Hey! Any of that fun stuff. So
Party on board.
we're off
Mom and
on a
Dad are
date
gone.
night. Date night for street food in Georgetown. Let's go.
We've been running with the night, with the night, with the night. We've been lovers, filled with colors, undercover.
We just got downtown and we're going to cruise around, find ourselves a nice cold beer, and check out the sights and the food, and start to explore downtown Georgetown here in Penang. So it should be a lot of fun.
It's a hoppin' Wednesday night.
It's a hopping Wednesday night. You never know. We'll find out.
With the night, 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 with the night, night, night.
So it's getting late, and we're feeling the rumble in the tummy. So we're gonna go and try to figure out what we can find to eat. It'll be probably noodles or rice or satay or something, but it's starting to get busier around town, and the lights are all coming on, so it's a pretty cool, like, what, ambiance or something around here.
Vibe.
Yeah, cool vibe. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we can find. Let's go.
We've been running with the night, 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 with the night, 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 with the night, night, night. And we've been hiding from the light, 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 from the light, 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 from the light, light, light. I've never been afraid of losing time, but baby, listen, though you're real fine.
Got like some padas on it, hot sauce.
What's for that? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
$3.50. It's not even $1. So, little snack. So
Yeah.
let's move on to the next place.
Yeah.
Still getting used to the color coding on this currency. So now that we're in Malaysia, it's totally different from Indonesia and Thailand and other places that we have to learn. So the 10 is like this orange, and the ones are blue. So also, Elizabeth observed the other day that they are literally smaller. The bills are smaller as they get smaller in amounts, denominations. Yeah.
So the chicken satay is about $3 for 10 skewers.
I get to be the taste tester.
Yeah.
I've got to smother it with this goodness here.
Good.
Oh my goodness. It's so
Good.
good.
Yeah.
Perfect amount of spice. Oh, it's hot still. Off the grill. It's good. Woo.
From the light, from the light.
That wasn't very good. That was a good attempt. Oh, that looks good. That looks better. Okay. We've got the professional next to you, so we'll watch him too.
Sarah's giving me the gotta get home signal.
Time to go.
So it's been a good little journey. A lot of little nice food stalls, some good variety of food tonight.
Yes, and a toilet hunt.
Toilet hunt,
Yes.
and it was just good to kind of be out, the two of us, to celebrate the kids' exams they took today.
We're celebrating for the kids, I guess.
We're celebrating for the kids.
No, we're celebrating for the teacher.
For the teacher, that's
Teacher
right.
celebrations, right?
So it's been great. Now it's time to get a grab and head back to the boat, get some sleep, and
We're
then
full and tired and
full and tired.
time to go home.
And that's a bad combination. Good night. One of the things that we get to do on field trip is spend a lot of time with the kids doing projects around the boat. We get to fix stuff, we get to sew stuff, and so today is a sewing day. We're here in the marina in Penang. School's finished, now it's home economics. So E's going to be sewing us up some covers for these fenders we have on board. We got the stuff from our friends up in Phuket that cover up the fenders. So yeah, it's good, E. This is our project for today. Okay.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating.
We finished, took us about, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half when it was all said and done, so we had to do a little bit of sewing, but we now have new fender covers for field trip. No more squeaking at night when we crank against the dock. We haven't done this because we're never in marinas, but now we've been in marinas a lot more, so, which is a lot better too, quite frankly, so happy to have that little chore done. Thanks, Eve, for all your hard work.
You're welcome.
You're now a new seamstress. You can sew and do good stuff.
It's all for you.
After all the food and projects, we need to leave the marina and head down for an overnight sail to another marina in Pangkor. It's here we'll haul out field trip and put her up on the hard for some much needed bottom work.